Good morning, students. In our today's class, we are starting with the another topic. And name of topic is structures of the functional groups. Topic: structures of the functional groups present in these alcohol, phenol and ethers. So what kind of structure of the functional groups present in such kind of compounds? Just see CH3, OH. One OH group is present in the simple alcohol, which we have this oxygen, this hydrogen. This oxygen has two lone pair of the electrons with it, and the bond, the distance between the carbon and oxygen is 142 picometer, and oxygen and hydrogen is 96 picometer, and this bond angle of COH bond is 108.9 degree. This bond angle of this COH bond is of 108.9 degree. This is name of this compound is methanol. Methanol, a type of alcohol. Another compound which we have in this, we have this benzene ring here, and in this benzene ring, what condition we have? Oxygen is attached with the carbon atom. Oxygen is attached with the carbon atom, and the bond angle is present. The bond angle is of 109 degree there. Two lone pairs are present on this oxygen atom. The distance of this carbon and oxygen bond is 136 picometer here in this particular case, and this compound is phenol. This compound is considered as phenol. Now in another compound, what we have? Carbon is there, hydrogen. This is the CH3 group which we are having. Oxygen atom is there. This is another oxygen atom. Hydrogen. So on each carbon atom, 3 hydrogens are attached there. The distance of carbon oxygen bond 141 picometer is there, and the bond angle is of 111.7 degree is present in this. Methoxymethane is the compound. It is a type of ether. So this kind of structures are present there in these different compounds which we are having. We just have a quick review of this. This is CH3OH. When we write the molecular formula of this, that is CH3OH, commonly known as methanol. In this methanol, this OH OH hydroxy group is the functional group and is attached to this carbon. Now the distance between the two atoms, they are carbon and oxygen, 142 picometer. Distance between the oxygen and hydrogen, 96 picometer. Bond angle 108.9 degree is there, and there is a lone pair present on this condition. So that is the methanol there. Another condition, we have phenol. The carbon oxygen bond length is 136 picometer present there. The bond angle of carbon OH bond is 109 degree. Name of the compound is phenol. And methoxymethane, that is the ether, CH3O CH3. The compact formula for this CH3O CH3 compound is there. So methoxymethane is commonly known as in this particular compound. So that is about the structural formulas related to such compounds which we are having in this. After this, the another topic is preparation of alcohols, and we have to check that it is given in the syllabus or not before starting. Methods of preparation are given there in the syllabus. So we are having this. The another topic after this topic is methods of preparation of alcohols. Just see preparation of alcohols. How can we prepare the alcohols? The first method from alkenes. You know the alkenes are the double bond compounds. See, this is the alkene. When this alkene get reacted with the water molecule in the presence of the acidic medium. Acidic medium means in the presence of H plus ions. What we see? Double bond get disappears, and the addition of the hydrogen and OH group takes place on the separate carbon atoms. Now if we have a alkene there, and this alkene is CH2CH double bond CH2. This alkene, when we add the water molecule to this particular alkene, we get the alcohol in this manner: CH2CH OH CH3. So the name of this compound is present in this particular manner. Now mechanism, about the mechanism. The mechanism is completed in the 3 steps. In the step first, protonation of alkene form carbocation. Protonation of alkene. Protonation of alkene. Protonation of alkene. How the protonation of alkene takes place? H2O plus H plus, when they both get reacted, formation of the hydronium ion is there. Hydronium ion is there. Now this hydronium ion get reacted with the alkene this hydronium ion get reacted with the alkene, and the structure of this hydronium ion is present in such a form that hydrogen, oxygen, now two electrons and one positive charge is there. The bond pair of electron get transferred to the oxygen and the double bond electron transferred to this. Due to this reason, the new change comes in this, and we see that hydrogen get attached on the carbon, and the H2O molecule get released. Now again understand the step. We have this condition there, and in this condition this carbon is releasing the electrons of this double bond, so the positive charge is coming on this carbon. Okay, now another thing, what happens, two electrons are moving from there to this place, and they are completing the deficiency of the H2O molecules, because in general we know that two lone pairs are present on the oxygen atom, so they are completing the deficiency of the oxygen. So that is happens in the first step. Now what happens in the second step of the mechanism which we have there? The second step, we write the second step there on the top part. In the second step, nucleophilic attack of water on carbocation. Second step, nucleophilic attack of water on carbocation. Nucleophilic attack of water on carbocation. कार्बोकेटाइन जो है उस पर न्यूक्लियोफिलिक अटैक इस तरीके से होता है. तो न्यूक्लियोफाइल is H2O molecule there, and this is the carbocation there. So that C plus HH and H2O. Nucleophile H2O is considered as the nucleophile in this step, attacking to this carbocation. And when the addition of this carbocation takes place, we get, that is HCH, two OH groups, that this is the intermediate state. This is the intermediate state. After the intermediate state, the deprotonation takes place. After the intermediate state, step third we have, and this step third is related to the deprotonation. Step third is known as deprotonation. CHHCOO plus, and due to the deprotonation, the product will form that H2O, and due to the deprotonation we get the product OH attached to this, and water molecule we again get in the hydronium ion. Hydronium ion is formed there, and two lone pair of electrons are presented there in this particular case. So this is the deprotonation process takes place in this particular addition of the water on the alkene molecules. Thank you.